Thanks for watching Magical Mayhem. Today we are going to
Can I
do
use a cup to put water in?
3 prophecies. The first prophecy. Let's see what we get. We got Wall of Vipers. Abolish. Men of Vapors. Avatar of Hope. Mind Barrier, or Mind Bearer. Divining Griffin. Rhystic Deluge. Still Strength. Stormwatch Eagle. Spore Frog. Aura Fracture. Devastate.
Will you hold him up for a second?
Agent of Shaku. Ribbon Snake. Rib Cage Spider. Nice. Good stuff. Good old stuff. Probably like old stuff. Entangler. Barbed Field. Root Cage. Sheltering Prayers. Rhystic Deluge. Thrive. Stormwatch Eagle. Spore Frog. Devastate. Agent of Shaku. Rib Cage Spider. Magata's Boom. Oh my god. Flay. Spike Tail Hatchling. Excise. What's that? Good stuff, good stuff. Oh yeah, click like and subscribe. Join my channel. Ooh, it's a land. A Rhystic Cave. Foil. Huh. Noxious Field. Avatar of Will. Agent of Shaku. Alexi's Cloak. Panic Attack. Grill's Caress. Troubled Healer. Ridgeline Ranger. Ridgeline Ranger. Wild Might. Rhystic Shield. Coastal Hornclaw. Silk Crawler. Whip Stitched Zombie. Alright, good stuff.